Mr. Jericho Rosales, sobrang proud na proud. Congratulate Miss Janine Gutierrez sa bagong achievement ni Janine Gutierrez. Mr. Jericho Rosales, sobrang proud kay Miss Janine Gutierrez. But anyway guys, dito muna tayo sa penos ni Miss Janine Gutierrez. Super dream come true. Our film Love Diaz Phantos Mia will premiere at this year's. Ayan, so grateful and happy and honored to be part of this film. Venice has always been a dream, and I'm just again so grateful to the love team and to everyone else who's trusted me enough to cast me in their films and series. All I've ever wanted is to make good projects, and I'm just so thankful to all the work has led me here, part of something that showcases our Filipino filmmaking the world. Thank you. So ayan, congratulations Miss Janine Gutierrez, the whole team, the whole love team, congratulations. Then nag-comment nga si Echo dun sa Instagram ni Miss Janine Gutierrez, guys. Sa mga nakita niyo na yun. So ayan, nag-comment si Miss Hazel, let's go Reina. Ayan si Jericho, I am over the moon for you. Ihanda ang bangka at sagwan. Congratulations, mabuhay kayo at ang love team. So ayan, nag-reply si Miss Janine Gutierrez kay Echo. Then of course si BG Pascual, so proud of you. Nag-thank you si Miss Janine kay BG Pascual, yung best friend niya. And ito na nga yung binayad ni Mr. Jericho Rosales. Naiyak din ako sa balitang ito. So happy for you, Janine Gutierrez. You deserve to be Venice proud here. Cheers. Sobrang proud niya kay Janine Gutierrez. Then ito pa yung mga ibang nag-comment, pag-congratulates na proud kay Miss Janine Gutierrez. Best friend niyang si Mikey, wife ni Robby Domingo. I'm so kilig for you. Congratulations. What an amazing achievement. Can't wait to watch din ayan. Thank you, Mikes. Then ayan pa yung mga nag-comment kay Miss Janine Gutierrez, yung mga mga kakilala niya sa showbiz, may mga direktor. Yan, grabe siya, pa-direct po, nene, ayan. Yes, so happy for you, Chanine. So ayan, may mga kapwa niya artista, of course. Then yung mga direktor, of course, si Mami Lotlot. Si MJ Benitez, yung stylist niya, si Sir David from Bakis to Venice Film Festival. Si Miss Anthea Bueno, congratulations din, deserve. Si Anchong D, yung kapatid niyang si Diego and si Max. Then mga fans, and congratulate din kay Miss Janine Gutierrez, guys. Si Miss JC, yung makeup artist niya sa guys, pag may taping siya. Ito pa yung minay din na mabuhay ka senior, ihanda ko na bangka. So ayan si minay din ni Jericho. Then ito pa, salute kay Derek Love. So ayan, congratulations sa lahat. Then last but not the least, ayan, thank you. Ayan, nakatag, I wanna be just like you, forever grateful to you and team Babae at Baril. Nagka-award din si Miss Janine Gutierrez, guys, sa Babae at Baril. If naalala nyo, wala, share ko lang, paalala ko lang sa inyo. Then ito naman yung full look na Mr. Jericho Rosales sa ganap nila tonight, kasi nga start na ng Lavender Fields Media Season starts.